State officials are tracking COVID-19 very closely. They have an emergency response team set up in Northeast Portland. Fox 12's Amber Wilmarth is live there. And Amber, for the first time, we got to look inside their center to see what they're doing to try to track the latest on this outbreak, right?
That's right. We got a tour of the Oregon Health Authority's Agency Operations Center. It's here inside of the Portland State Office building. They showed us where staff is working to track COVID-19 in the state and to answer a lot of questions from the public. We spoke to Dr. Dean Seidlinger. He's part of the state's response team to this outbreak. He says it's likely that more people in Oregon could have COVID-19 than they've detected. He says that's because there are at least 2 cases in different parts of the state where they cannot identify the source of the virus. He says that Oregon now has the capacity to test people for it, but you can't simply walk into your doctor's office and ask for one. You have to meet a criteria set by the CDC.
Right now, those guidelines are geared towards helping us determine what's going on in Oregon. So the testing requires that someone has a potential exposure. That may have been a travel to a affected country. It may have been exposure to a positive case that was identified here in Oregon, and that they're showing symptoms of COVID-19, lower respiratory symptoms like cough and fever. In addition, with the first community transmission in California, CDC broadened criteria to include those who are hospitalized with serious respiratory illnesses that don't have another reason.
So those are the people that they're testing right now. Dr. Seidlinger says they can test up to 80 people a day and up to 1,500 people with the supplies they now have on hand here in Oregon. He says this virus is spread through droplets, so the best protection from it is to stay at home when you're sick, cover your cough or sneezes, and he says to wash your hands often and avoid touching your face. Reporting live in Northeast Portland, Amber Wilmarth, Fox 12 Oregon.